Housing census.
Mihang'o ya gutara President Uhuru Kenyatta na andu a nyumba yake irakinyanirio thingira-ini wa iregi igitongorio ni minister wa mibango hamwe na maabitha angi ruhonge-ini rwa gutarani. President akihoya mweke uyu kuria Akenya gwitikira onao gutarwo.
I have formally gone through the process and we have completed that exercise with my family. Mine is once again to reiterate to all my fellow Kenyans that this is an important exercise. This is an exercise that is geared towards helping us plan for your future. It is an exercise that is geared towards helping us better utilize your taxes to ensure that they get to the people. And you can't do that and you cannot plan if you do not have the right statistics. So fellow Kenyans, this is a good time for all of us to come out to support this exercise. I can assure you.
Kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, Minister wa urimi Mwangi wa Kiunjuri onake akinyita itemi utarani-ini uyu guku akihinyiriria bata wa mihang'o ino mibango-ini ya thirikari.
Ugikorwo ni mutarite andu aku ni ukuhota gukorwo na mubango mwega wa kumenya uria ukurutira andu wira. Niko gukorwo na planning ni witagwo gukorwo na kioneki kioria ugukorwo gika na kuria mbere-ini na gutwarithia maendeleo thiini wa bururi. Na no wega andu maririkane ati ungikorwo nduratarwo mwenyewe ni kuonania ati ona thirikari igithii kugaga indo ciayo na muno kuria umite ni kuonania ati we ni watuma kwanyu gucokoroke na thutha.
Ona gutuika mubango wa thirikari ni mihang'o ino gukorwo igithii na mbere nginyagia muthia-ini wa mweri uyu, gavana wa Narok arenda ihinda makiria riongererwo na muno ni undu wa gukinyira aria mathamaga na mahiu mao.
I know there are some people who have moved even to Tanzania for pastures. We have told them to come. Yesterday I was in Loita, and therefore just to be a bit, to give them a little more time for those people to come out of the in the forest and so forth, to come so that they also be counted, and therefore you'll need to take a little more time there.
Na tuguthii na mbere nginya utuku wa mweri 31 mweri wa kanana, na thutha ucio aria matagakorwo mataritwo ri ni makerwo mathie ma report kwa chifu.
Gavana wa Kwale Salim Mvurya ithenya-ini riake akihinyiriria bata wa kwaga kuingiria maundu matari na mwerekera utarani-ini uyu guku akira andu kwaga gwitigira ati undu uyu waya kurehe iundu kuri aria metikitie ati andu matifatie gutarwo.
Ningependa tu kutoa hofu hiyo kwamba zoezi hili halina ulingamano wowote na visirani. Kwa hivyo watu wakubali kuhesabiwa, waseme pia idadi ya watoto wao na umri, ili iweze kujulikana pia idadi ya watoto wenye umri fulani na vijana na kina mama, ili serikali ipange mikakati ikijua katika jamii watu pia wanaishi namna gani.
Mihang'o ino iratanywo guthii na mbere nginyagia umuthi hwai-ini na kumagia rucio ikinyanirio mathaa-ini ma muthenya kuri aria matagukorwo makinyirikite matuko-ini maya meri. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.